Hello, students. We are in the next lesson of entrepreneurship. So, just a quick reminder in one of the previous lessons, I have mentioned some components of a product mix. The components of a product mix are branding, packaging, and labeling. So, out of these three, I have explained all the components of branding. Today, we are going to cover up the rest of the two components. First of all, let us learn about packaging. Now, let's say you have produced a product and you have kept it just as it is without covering it or packing it. So, for how many days that product will stay in a good condition? I would say hardly for few hours or few days, depending on the type of the product. And even the customers will not buy it without a proper package. That is why packaging of the products are very important so that the products are safe, protected, easy to carry, different from other companies, easy to promote, and many more. The companies always supply the products in packaged form. Packaging is the basic activity of every company. Let us now come to its definition: a set of tasks or activities which are concerned with the designing, production of an appropriate wrapper, container, or bag for the product is called packaging. So, packaging involves the task of designing and producing an appropriate packaging material for the products. The packaging can be in the form of a wrapper or a container or a bag. For example, Coke comes in a bottle, Tide in a bag, biscuits in a wrapper, oil in a jar, etc. Next, we will learn about labeling. Labeling means putting the identification marks on the package. Can you see this product? There are so many informations given on the package, like the name of the product, name of the manufacturer, contents of the product, the expiry and the manufacturing date, general instructions for use, weight, price, etc. So, this is called the labeling. A label is the carrier of information. Students, don't get confused between packaging and labeling. Package is the packet or the container in which the product is packed, and the part of the package where the various informations of the product are given is called the label. There can be different forms of label. One can be in the form of a simple tag, as in the case of local products like rice, pulses, etc. And the other can be an elaborate uh, label as used by the reputed companies. They give each and every information to the uh, customers. These are very attractive and give the complete information about the product. There are few products where some statutory warnings are essential to be printed. For example, on tobacco and liquor, it is compulsory to mention that its consumption is injurious to health. So, this was all about packaging and labeling.